Crossdressing, once considered a taboo subject, has now evolved into an empowering form of self-expression and gender exploration. For those venturing into this exciting world for the first time, navigating the ins and outs can be daunting. But fear not. In this video, we offer a fresh perspective and practical tips to help you embrace your identity as a novice crossdresser in 2024. Before embarking on your journey, it's important to understand the motivations behind your desires. Take a moment to explore the feelings that drive you towards crossdressing. Is it the thrill of trying on different personas? The opportunity to challenge societal norms? Perhaps it's purely about fashion and style experimentation. Understanding these motivations will not only help you build confidence but also allow for introspection and personal growth along your crossdressing path. As you reflect on what aspects of crossdressing appeal most to you, keep an open mind about self-discovery during your journey. This is an opportunity to delve into new parts of yourself that may have remained hidden or ignored before. Embrace every step with curiosity and celebrate each milestone as they contribute to forming a more complete understanding of who you are as an individual. So if you're ready to take that leap into authentic self-expression through clothing choices, then read on. We've got 6 essential tips lined up just for beginners like yourself, from building confidence in your own unique style aesthetic to finding support within the larger community. Everything you need to know is right here at your fingertips. When embarking on your crossdressing journey, it's important to educate yourself about the terminology and concepts related to this art form. By familiarizing yourself with terms like transgender, gender identity, and crossdresser, you can better understand your own feelings and experiences. Online glossaries or LGBTQ+ websites can be excellent resources for expanding your knowledge in this regard. Additionally, learning about different styles of clothing and makeup techniques can help you determine what resonates with you personally. Experimenting with various looks allows you to find a style that aligns with your identity and makes you feel confident. Explore fashion blogs or YouTube channels where experienced crossdressers share their tips and tricks. These valuable insights will assist you in refining your own unique style. Lastly, seek out resources such as books or online communities where you can learn from individuals who have already gone through similar journeys. Books written by trans authors or those within the LGBTQ+ community offer personal anecdotes, advice, and guidance that may prove invaluable to navigating the challenges faced by novice crossdressers. Online forums provide safe spaces where beginners can ask questions, share stories, gain support from more experienced members of the community. They are excellent platforms for connecting with others who understand exactly what it means to explore gender expression authentically. Remember, education is key when starting any new undertaking. It empowers us with knowledge that builds confidence while ensuring smoother progress along our paths of self-discovery as budding crossdressers. One of the most important tips for novice crossdressers is to start small. Begin your journey by experimenting in the comfort of your own home, where you can create a safe and judgment-free space for self-expression. This allows you to explore different outfits, accessories, makeup styles, and even mannerisms that align with your preferred gender expression. Take advantage of this private setting to try on various pieces of clothing that catch your eye. Have fun mixing and matching different items to discover what makes you feel most confident and comfortable. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to crossdressing. It's all about expressing yourself authentically. As you gradually build confidence through these initial steps at home, consider seeking support from trusted friends or online communities dedicated to crossdressing. Sharing your experiences with others who have similar interests can be incredibly empowering and reassuring. Once you feel more at ease with dressing up in a way that reflects your true identity within the confines of your home, you may want to take the next step by venturing outside or attending social events dressed as your preferred gender expression. However, timing is crucial here. Only do so when you are ready and feel comfortable enough to face potential challenges or questions from others. Remember that everyone's journey into crossdressing is unique, so take things at your own pace without feeling pressured by external expectations or societal norms. Allow yourself time for self-discovery while embracing the joy found in discovering new aspects of yourself through fashion choices. Finding support and connecting with others within the crossdressing community can be instrumental in your journey as a beginner. One way to do this is by joining local groups or online forums where you can share your experiences, ask questions, get advice, and learn from individuals who have gone through similar challenges. These communities provide a safe space for you to express yourself and connect with like-minded individuals who understand what you're going through. In addition to group support, finding a mentor can offer invaluable guidance as you navigate your path as a novice crossdresser. A mentor is someone experienced in crossdressing who can provide advice, encouragement, and practical tips based on their own personal journey. They can help answer questions, recommend resources such as clothing stores or makeup tutorials, and serve as a listening ear when you need someone to talk to. Having a mentor not only provides emotional support but also helps accelerate your growth by learning from someone further along in their own self-discovery. Remember that seeking support doesn't mean you have to reveal your identity to everyone around you if you're not ready yet. It's about finding people who understand and accept the part of yourself that needs expressing through crossdressing. It's important to surround yourself with individuals who empower and uplift rather than judge or criticize. Together with supportive peers and mentors by your side, exploring the world of crossdressing becomes an exciting journey filled with camaraderie while helping build confidence in embracing your true self. Embracing and loving yourself is crucial when starting your journey as a crossdresser. Accepting that crossdressing is a part of who you are will allow you to embrace it without hesitation or shame. Remember, your identity is valid, and there is nothing wrong with expressing yourself authentically. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and supportive individuals can greatly impact your confidence as a novice crossdresser. Seek out friends or join online communities where you can connect with like-minded people who understand your experiences and provide encouragement along the way. Engaging in conversations, attending meetups or events dedicated to crossdressing will also expose you to diverse perspectives within the community. Practicing self-care activities tailored to boost confidence in your appearance can be empowering for any beginner crossdresser. This may involve experimenting with different makeup techniques, learning how to style wigs effectively, or exploring fashion choices that make you feel comfortable and confident. Take time each day for grooming rituals that make you feel good about yourself, whether that's pampering your skin, caring for your nails, or engaging in any activity that enhances self-esteem through self-expression. Over time, these efforts will enhance not only physical appearance but also inner strength and confidence as a fabulous individual proudly embracing their true identity. By focusing on embracing yourself wholeheartedly while seeking support from positive influencers and practicing self-care customized toward building confidence in your appearance, every newbie crossdresser embarks on the right steps towards an empowered journey of embracing their authentic selves. To embark on your crossdressing journey, it's essential to remember that everyone's path is unique. While you may have certain goals or aspirations for your own expression, it's important to respect the choices of others within the community. Understand that not everyone chooses crossdressing for the same reasons or in the same manner. Another crucial aspect is researching social norms and appropriate behavior when presenting as your preferred gender in public. Each society has its own cultural context, and understanding these nuances can ensure a more positive experience outside of your comfort zone. Whether it's knowing which spaces are accepting of diverse expressions or educating yourself about legal protections, being prepared will help you navigate confidently. Lastly, as an aspiring crossdresser, it's imperative to embrace diversity within both yourself and the larger LGBTQ community. Intersectionality plays a significant role here, recognizing that individuals who identify differently from you also face their own unique challenges can foster mutual understanding and increase inclusivity overall. By creating a safe space for all members of this richly varied community, we can support one another on our respective journeys while celebrating our shared identities.